Hey guys, how you doing? I thank you very much for you guys interested in watching my video in regards of how to create a thumbnail on your Facebook post, and it could redirect to whatever website that you want. Usually when you do this, you need your own website and your own hosting account, and you have to upload the files to your own hosting account. But on this video, with this series, I'm going to show you how to do that absolutely for free without having your very own hosting account. And I will proceed on with that. The reason why I'm showing you my Facebook post right now, or the feeder, is because I'm just going to show you that you can see like this image right here is going to redirect you to a website. But the thing about this is that this image is coming from the website. So this is not your own image. So you know sometimes it looks ugly when you're looking at a thumbnail, and it goes straight to these type of websites, and or usually it's coming from you can see this is coming from a poster, like an automatic poster, so the person places image on its own. I'm just trying to see some examples here. This person didn't put no website or nothing like that. I'm just trying to find a like a perfect example. If there's anything here, like let's say this one here, let's see if you could see right away it's going to a website with an image, but this is a poster as well, so basically they put this image themselves. So if I click here, it's going to go straight to their website. But the thing about that is that you need a poster, or you need some type of software in order for you to put your own images here, in order for it to be clickable. And I know there's some other softwares out there, or some other programs out there that charge you, they charge you for you to upload a photo and to make this clickable. And that's why today I want to show you how to not use those softwares, or not even upload to your own hosting account, and without paying any money, I should say. So let's see another one here. This one here is, let's see if they're using a poster. Yeah, this one is, yeah, they're using posters here. So also, here's a good example here. I mean, this is using Sue, and you can see Sue doesn't really have a nice image. So if you want to invite somebody to Sue, this is the image that Sue has, and it's not really attractive. So that's why I want to show you how to do that. Also, I'm just going to show you real quick. Like if I put in my own website, extremeprosystem.com, the images are going to come out like this, okay? But you only can rely on the images that is on the website. So you can see that you really don't want to use these these images sometimes. You want to use your own image. So that's why I want to show you how you can put your very own image here, so that way you guys don't have to worry about these website images or whatever images, that it's very limited to you. So in this first part series, meaning this first video, I'm going to show you how to write the code, okay? And then on the second video, I'm going to show you how to host it for free. And so we're going to proceed on with that, okay? So what I want to do is I'm just going to click on my group, okay? I'm going to click on my group because this is the group where I want the page to go to, or the button or the image. If you have your website ready, like if you have your own blog, your own opt-in page, you go ahead and copy that URL right now and save it on a WordPress, not a WordPress, I'm sorry, on a note, like a notepad or something. Okay, but for right now, I'm just going to leave it on here because I'm going to come back to this later. So what we're going to do first is right click and go to new, and click on new folder and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call this test. Open that folder, right click and click on new folder, and call that folder images. And then right click, new, and we're going to name it text document, and we're going to name it index. Okay. Now open the images folder and grab the image, whatever image that you like, which I'm going to use this one. Copy, paste. Okay, I'm going to open this image, and this is the image that I want to use that as a thumbnail on Facebook. Okay, it says click here, something, you guys can create anything you want using your own program, or there's some websites where you can build your own banners. You can use that. You can use any of these, any image that you want, and I would say click here, click now, income opportunity, wow, click here, or something like that. Make it look attractive, and that's what I'm working on. That's what I worked on, and that's what I decided just to use this image there. So you have that saved there, and so now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click on open the index file, which is just in the regular notepad, just to let you guys know that the size of the image that I'm using is 470 by 246. That is the size of the picture that I tested on Facebook that will not cut off. Okay, usually when it's a bigger picture, it cuts off, it doesn't look right. So basically that is the basic size that I got. If you can make it more of a rectangular image, I believe that Facebook can shrink the photo down. Like if you make this a larger picture, like a larger size, I believe that Facebook will shrink it down. But for right now, for the safe side, I just keep it at 470 by 246. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create an HTML codes. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an open bracket, and this code will be down below in the video. All you have to do is just copy and paste and just insert the information where I tell you where to write it. Okay, so I'm just going to type out the code here. That way you guys could just look at what I'm doing here. So I'm going to do an open bracket, close bracket on head, and then I'm going to do open bracket, close the head, close bracket, and I'm going to open bracket, type in body, and then close bracket, open bracket, close the body, close bracket. Okay, so now we're going to work on the header part, and then what we're going to do is we're going to type in title, open bracket again, close the title. Okay, so here you type in your title, any title that you want to put below the picture, like and join the excitement. Click on the image above, something like that. Okay, and then here is where the meta tag goes for the redirect. So I'm going to type HTTP minus equiv equals open quotes refresh close bracket, close quote, space, content equals 0, and then space, URL equals, and that's when I get the URL, your website. Basically, you get your website URL, you come back here and you paste it, and then you close quote and you close bracket. Okay, that's it right there. Then I click space. Now click enter, and then I'm going to type in the meta description. So we open meta, open bracket, type in meta, space name equals, and then open quotes, description, close quote, space, content equals, open quote and close quote. But in between that, type in your description, like join our team. We are currently in pre-launch. Just gonna leave it like that. You can type anything in between those quotes, and that will show up under the title under the picture. Okay, and that's basically it for the header part. Now we go in between the body. Okay, you can see between the body and the end of the body, and this is where we're going to type the code to get the image from the other folder. So we open bracket img src equals open quote, and this is where we type the path of the image. So it's in the image folder, images / and now we have to get the name of the image. So if we go in here, it's going to be called FB Thumb, and this image is a JPEG. Okay, some of your images might be a PNG or a GIF, which if you have Windows 8 or Windows 7, I think in Windows Vista it's the same thing. You'll see in here at the bottom that it will tell you what type of image it is. So you can see right here it says it's a JPEG image. So it's called FB Thumb. Okay, so now let's go back to here. It's going to images, and it will be FB thumb.jpg. It's like that, JPG. Close quote, space, and then we type in the width equals open quote 470, close quote, space, height, and then equals open quotes 246, close quote, and then we close bracket. Okay, and that's it. So you can look at the code right now. Basically, the title is for the title of the picture that will be under the picture, like in big bold letters. This code right here is to redirect when somebody decides to click on the image. They're going to redirect it to whatever website that you want. So here you'll see the website. This is where you put your website. They could be like, whatever company.com / referral ID. Okay. The description is what's going to come out below under the title. And then here is the source, the image that you want it to come out. And that's basically it. So what we're going to do is now we're going to save it, and then we're going to click on Save As, and then we're going to type here .html, and then click Save. Now if we go back to the folder, you're going to see two files here now, which is the index and the regular index, the text editor. So here in this one, it's the HTML file, which is if I double click it, you're going to see the image real quick, and it should redirect me to the actually should have redirected me to the what is it? To the website. So now I got to check out what's going on. I got to see what happened. Oh, okay. I think I missed something here. I thought I put in the quote here, but I guess I didn't. So we're going to save that again. So we're going to save as .html. We're going to overwrite it. Basically, when you copy and paste, it should be correct. In case it doesn't, you guys know where to contact me just in case. So now let's go back here, and if I type, hold on to this, it should take me to the group. As you can see, it took me straight to the group. So you can see right away that it automatically tells me, a little bit, it actually shows you the image a little bit. So when somebody clicks on that picture of yours, it's going to show the clip real quick, and it's going to go straight to your website. So it gets redirected to whatever website that you want. Okay, so that is it for part 1. Okay, and so now since you have your files and everything, now we're going to go to part 2 of these series to show you how and where to store these files, so that way it can be uploaded to the internet. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. You guys take care and God bless. Bye.